Here's one of my favorites. I know I say that about every plant, but this is lemon verbena, aloysia. Oh my gosh, creates a mild state of euphoria. When people smell this plant, they go, oh, oh. And the smell is incredible. So this is lemon verbena. You can see it's kind of the end of the season for this plant. The flowers are on their way out, but you do have some of the plant. You can decorate your food with these flowers. They're delicious. And they go really well with especially desserts. But here are these leaves, especially, so these leaves are kind of on their way out. They're bending down and they're a lighter green, but you can harvest these darker leaves. And these leaves make the most incredible tea. It's unnerving. It helps to calm the nerves. It's a slightly cooling. It's very antiseptic. And it's this tea, your lemon verbena, it is one of the crowd-pleasing teas. So this is one of the main herbs that I make my herbal lemonades with and my herbal punches and drinks that I take to share with people that might not really be interested in herbs and herbal teas. People love this. So you can see this one down here. It's like, it's a dark color. So you can just kind of go and harvest this and you pull the flowers off and then you just take and strip the leaves off like that and say, thank you, lemon verbena. And now you can dry those leaves or you can use them fresh and they make the best tea and it's so good for you. It's so calming and relaxing. Yet there's just this smell. People just feel happy when they smell this plant. And it's one of my favorite plants. I love this. So this is beautiful, beautiful, delicious, crowd-pleasing, the best herbal lemonade, lemon verbena.